Hello? Get into the mood. It's always difficult. Am I on? Am I? I am. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody watching this video. This another fantastically nice and awesome video from the revision party that will tell you stuff and information that you want to hear because you've been waiting very long. Everybody has been waiting very long and been asking us like, why, when, and why are you not telling us when we are able to get a bed because we're old and we're tired and we want to sleep and we just want a hotel room and go away from the party and the noise and the screaming and the drinking and the fun. We want to go to a hotel room and sleep and watch TV and get nice breakfasts and well, you can now because finally it's gone live. We have now arranged a deal and you can now book a hotel room. If you go to the Revision website, which is revisionparty.net/info/accommodation, you will find many hotels you can book a room. It's like 250 rooms available, double rooms and single rooms in many, many different hotels all around Saarbrücken. And you can book them on the website. You will get a confirmation from the tourism office will send you a confirmation within 2 business days. So take a bit of patience when you book, but when you do, you have a room in many, many great places. And I'll tell you now a bit about the places that you can book a room at. And we start at the first hotel, and I look now at the information that I secretly got from some man in a raincoat and a hat, and he was coughing. It's the Victor's Residence Hotel in Saarbrücken. It has 4 stars, which is 4 whole stars. It's a 4-star superior hotel. It's located 4 kilometers from the Saarbrücken center. Has free Wi-Fi and it's Wi-Fi. It has parking. It's fantastic. The rooms are like single rooms are 80 euros, double rooms are 100 euros. And rumor goes that this hotel is actually run by dwarves. And when I say dwarves, I don't mean like little people. I mean actual dwarves. I'm not sure if that's actually true, but it could be. So if you want to find that out, go to this hotel. It has a lot of things that you might. It's like in the countryside. It's very nice. And then the second hotel is Hotel Am Triller, which has nothing to do with Michael Jackson's Thriller, or does it? It's a 4-star design hotel. It has nice gardens, it says here, and stylish spa facilities for that moment when you're tired after the party and you just want a back rub with mud and oil and lettuce and just chill out for a bit because you've been drinking too heavily. And an excellent cuisine, it says here as well, and we all know how excellent the German cuisine is. So wow, would you pass that up? And the rooms, they're spacious, they're suites. It's all very, very well thought out. And of course, there is Wi-Fi for your cravings of the internet because you'll be in a hotel room and you still want to know what's going on in the world, and you can. It's I see where it's located. It doesn't say exactly where it is, but it's in Saarbrücken at the Trillerweg, which also has nothing to do with Michael Jackson's Thriller, or does it? It might actually be a hotel run by zombies. You never know. And single rooms, double rooms, ranging from 74 euros to 90 euros. So very nice, 4 stars. Excellent. And then we go to the Mercure Hotel in Saarbrücken, which is another 4-star hotel that's participating with our hotel plan because we supply this like quality that we know you people like. That's why you come to this party. It's just a 5-minute walk from the Saarbrücken main station in the center. As I see here, modern rooms, a restaurant with a terrace. You can have Wi-Fi again. I must say Saarbrücken has a lot of Wi-Fi going around, so no lack of internet there. And it has public areas and superior rooms even. That's like the bigger rooms. They have tea and coffee making facilities. And that's very special in Germany because actually tea and coffee are forbidden in Germany. So this hotel has something special for you. It's single and double rooms ranging from 67 euros to 75 euros, and also very, very nice. I don't know exactly what kind of people run this, but I know they're nice. Then we have Hotel La Résidence. It's another 4-star hotel because we just have that many in the list. It's located in the heart of Saarbrücken. This is a 4-star. It's a business hotel, so man with suits and ties as well, but briefcases talking about secrets, so you might be able to hear something, and you go like, I can use this later when I blackmail somebody, or not, because you shouldn't, because it's very bad to blackmail people. And it won an award. It doesn't say which award, but it has a award, so that's very nice. A lively bar, so you can go drink as well. If you had enough of drinking at the party, drink in the hotel. And a spacious room. It has a bathroom in the bigger, a bathroom with a granite or marble finish. Just not a bathroom made from your simple ceramics. No, it's marble. It's granite. It's like rough materials from the earth turned into stuff you can wash yourself in. Again, this also gets a bit in price because it's very hip and it's in the center. Single rooms for 69 euros, double rooms for 89 euros. So we go to the Crystal Hotel. The Crystal Hotel. It's not actually made of crystal. I've been told, which is a bit of a letdown, I must say. But then again, it offers great other stuff. The Crystal Hotel. It's in the outskirts of the city. So it's a 3-minute walk from the exhibition center and the German-French gardens. I don't know exactly what the German and French gardens are because I've never been to Saarbrücken, but I imagine a combination of German stuff and French stuff, so like French bread and then German meat and then all kinds of stuff in the park, fighting or not fighting. I don't know. And guest rooms and suites and apartments. Apartments they even have. They're close, cozy. Single rooms go at 55 euros and the double rooms go at 85 euros. At the Gersweilerstrasse, this is. It's all on the side as well. I'm just already giving you a bit of a heads up. Then we have the very famous, the Hotel Ibis Saarbrücken. Who hasn't slept in an Ibis hotel? You all know it's great. It's a 2-star hotel. It likes it. The service is it's good, but for the people that don't need that much, like don't need that much extra. But it has still like enough stuff, like of course the free Wi-Fi because it has free Wi-Fi again. And an early breakfast if you're up early or if you come back late, I guess. A Mexican restaurant. There is a Mexican restaurant right there. You can have tacos or burritos, or even better, both. And it's located right in the city center, just a 10-minute walk from the train station. And a single room goes for 59 euros and a double room for 72 euros. So that's the Ibis. Then we have the B&B Hotel in Saarbrücken, where B&B doesn't stand for booze and barfing. But, well, it can, if many seniors will stay there, it might stand for that. But it actually stands for a bed and breakfast hotel, of course, as it is. It's in a central location, in the heart again of Saarbrücken. Saarbrücken has a big heart. It loves everybody. And it's next to the main railway station again. All these hotels are like, you can steal each other's Wi-Fi, I guess, because this doesn't say it has Wi-Fi, but you can probably steal Wi-Fi from the other hotel. And, or not, I have no idea. But it has a wide range of tastefully designed rooms. So be prepared for this coming into a room and go like, oh, it's so much taste going around here. I have no idea where to put my luggage because there will be taste everywhere. You have to take it out of the room first. And it has including rooms especially for families. So if you bring your family, if you're planning on traveling alone, you bring your family, well, you can bring them as well. And they have single rooms going for 50, double rooms going for 64. It's a very nice offer, especially when you bring your family. It will be fantastic. And then we have Hotel Madeleine. It's also a 2-star hotel. It's called Madeleine, which is cute in itself. It's situated in a very central, quiet location. If you want some proper sleep, you don't want screaming kids or like dogs or dragons like flying around. And it's a newly arranged church garden in front of the house. Well, no, it's garden. It invites you. It says here, it invites you to relax and linger, but don't linger in the shadows because we know what happens then. It has 30 rooms available, and it's also suitable for long-term stays. So if at revision you decide like, fuck everything, I'm going to move to Saarbrücken, you can start there. And then long-termly have a room for 49 euros, a single room, or a double room for 59. It's only 10 euros more. You have a double room, 2 beds, 2 people. The fun. Imagine just sitting around together talking, chatting. It's so much more fun than being by yourself. And then the last one is Hotel am Bahnhof. And we all know what the Bahnhof is, the Bahnhof. It's a 3-star hotel at the railway station. Who would have thought? But it is. It's there. It's right there waiting for you when you come with the train. It goes like, I'm here. Bring me your stuff. I have a bed. I have a place for you to be at ease, be relaxed, feel at home. It features comfortable rooms equipped with all of the standard amenities. It doesn't say more, but I think it might actually have Wi-Fi. I'm not sure. It doesn't say, but who knows? But it's very cheap. It's for us people with not a lot of money. You can go have a single room for only 45 euros. And a double room for 64. So yeah, that's all the hotels on the website. Go to the website, go to the revisionparty.net/info/accommodation, get yourself a room, wait 2 days for people to mail you back, and you can have like all the quiet time and beds and showers and breakfasts and Wi-Fi and spa treatments and gardens that linger and invite you to relax and everything. And it will make your stay at Revision only better. So go for it and book rooms. Or you can just always opt for sleeping in the hall if you're really hardcore, but we all know really We're too old for that, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Or prove me wrong, and I won't see it because I'm sleeping in a hotel. Ha. So go ahead, pick a room, and everything will be peachy. See you at revision.